welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'll be going to show you that how you will be able to configure VLAN in your Cisco switches. So VLAN stands for Virtual Local Area Network. This is very important for you to know that what is VLAN, what is the concept behind VLAN. If we want to differentiate our network in keeping the same IP address, say for example you are using the network of 192.168.1.0, and this particular network you want to divide in different departments. Say for example you have different type of department, for example finance department and HR department, sales department, and there are many kinds of other departments in your company. So you want to differentiate those departments with keeping a different line local area networks. Say for example the HR will only be able to communicate with the HR only, the sales will be able to communicate with sales only. So this is the main concept behind this VLAN. You will configure VLAN for different departments. So hope so that you will be understanding the video regarding this VLAN configuration. So come on, let's move into the configuration. So now what I am doing, I am opening the packet tracer here. So let's open the packet tracer, and after opening the packet tracer, what I have to do is that I have to take one switch and connect some computers with that, and then I'll show you how to configure the VLANs. So I'm taking one switch here of 2960 series, I'm keeping it here. Then I'm taking some computers here and connecting it with switch. So I'll take 1, 2 and 3, 4. So I'll just take 4 computers because it is just for the demonstration purpose. Now I'll take one straight through cable and connect with switch here. Simply connect all the with switches. Take this and connect this, then take this one and connect this with this switch. So here this 2 I'll keep this on VLAN 10, and here this 2 I'll keep this in VLAN 20, and I'll assign the same IP address of the network, which is 192.168.1.0 network, and I'll assign the IP of this network only. Okay, now let's see how to do the configuration. First, what I'll do, I'll assign the IP address to each and every computers here of that same network. Okay, so let's open the computer or each and every end devices. Let me open the end devices here. After the end device is open, go to desktop mode and click on IP configuration, then type the IP address. So 192.168.1.1, this will be the first IP address. Just copy this one and paste this second computer 1.2 and make this 2 here. Then same in PC3, so control V, and then 1.3, and then this 1.4. So you can see here that I have configured all the computer with the IP address of that same particular network, which is 1.0. So let's see how is it communicating or not. So let's send this packet to this. So you can see here it is showing successful, and let's send the packet to this also. So you can see here this is successful. So why this is successful? Because I have configured the same network. If I'll change the network or I'll change the IP address, then there will be no communication possible. So let's see how to make VLANs and restrict the communication between these two. Say for example these 2 PCs are the PCs of sales department. Okay, so I'll write here sales, and these 2 PCs will be of, say for example it will be of marketing department. Okay, MARKETING. So what was our motive? Our motive was to create a VLAN, so that with the help of VLAN we will be restricting the IP packets from going to sales department and for marketing department. Okay, so only the departments of the same PC will be able to communicate with each other. So open this switch and go to CLI mode, then enter, then type the enable command and then enter. So you can see here, if I'll type show VLAN, enter, so I have only one default VLAN and all the ports of the switch has been connected to that same VLAN only. So what I'll do next this time, I'll create two VLANs, one will be marketing and other will be sales. So I'll go to configure terminal mode, enter, then I'll type the name VLAN and 10. Okay, the name of the VLAN will be sales, SALES, enter, and then I'll create VLAN 20 and the name will be marketing, MARKETING. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go to interface, which will be, so first let's check which interface has been connected, serial. Okay, so fast internet 0x1 and 0x2, this is the sales department interface. So I'll type here the command interface range, INT interface range FA 0/122, enter. So you can see here I have moved to interface range. You can see here config if range mode. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll make this to port, and first I'll make this access port. So switch port mode access, and then what I'll do, I'll move these two ports into the VLAN 10. Switch port access VLAN 10, enter. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go to interface 3 range 3 to 4, because 3 and 4 the PCs are of VLAN 20, which is marketing department. So what I'll do, I'll type here same command, switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN, and type the name here 20. Okay, Control Z. Now show VLAN interface, just type here show VLAN, and you can see here that I have created this two VLAN, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, the sales and marketing, and the active VLANs are, so you can see here fastest net 0x1 and 2 is connected with VLAN sales, which is 10, and the VLAN 20 has been assigned to these two ports, fastest net 0x3 and 0x4. Okay, so this you can see here this 3 and 4. Now what I'll do, I'll just clear this data packets and I'll send this packet. So you can see here it is successful. Okay, good, and in this too it is also successful. Now let's see if the data packet is going from this to this. So let's send this. So you can see here in progress, then failed. You can see here failed, and this is also failed. You can see here failed. Or I just go to this command prompt and type the IP of that ping 192.168.1.3. Now what you will see request timeout error. Why? Because the network has been changed, because it is in different VLAN. The IP is same but the VLAN is different. Okay, so you can see here request timeout is coming. So hope so that you have understand this video and got the concept of what is VLAN. Hope so that you have liked this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and link below will be given of the article through which you will be able to understand more about VLANs. The link will be given of the article below in the description. Please don't forget to visit that link. Thank you for visiting this channel. I will meet you in next video. Thank you.